What's happening with y'all, bro? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy, Braces Stay Up, back with a whole nother banger, man. Y'all thought I was playing, huh? Consistency is the key, bro. But we back with a whole nother banger for the day, man. You know, I'm fresh off a week. But today, man, we're gonna meet up with Kel. If y'all don't know Kel, my boy Kel is the one that dropped an Avalanche. He used to have a Jeep, but my boy got an Avalanche on some 24-inch split sixes on 35s. So he done put some pressure inside his truck, so we on our way to go meet up with him and go see what, you know, check it out. So told y'all, man, I'm dropping little vlogs for y'all like every other day, man. So I'm staying consistent, bro. So yeah, man, y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. Hit that notification bell for your boy, man, and stay tuned for the vlog, man. So I'm gonna pick y'all back up whenever we meet up with Kel, man. Should've put his lights on. That dude dumb, bro. Man, that
I hear that. I can hear that. Color on y'all niggas. You did it right. You got green. You did it right though. You did it right with that. I ain't want to go the same color.
And what does it? They twinkle?
That bitch perfect. That bitch got tan. That bitch got black and tan.
Yeah.
Oh! Stop playing that boy. They can put him a star back there. They can put him a star, see?
I can never understand it. How did you do the star? Like, how does that?
All you gotta do, sir.
Because it's upside down. It's not like
yeah,
this.
But it's different when if you was doing letters. If you was doing letters, it would be different. But I just did like a shape. So I printed out a picture of a star, and then I just
how you face the words.
Stuck them around there.
Because if you do it wrong with some words, your shit gonna be backwards.
Tell you next, man.
Yeah.
You next, Steve.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's just a lot of work.
Black suede, man. Ooh.
4 days, I mean.
Took you 4 days to do this?
Yeah, because I had to redo the fabric.
Oh, all right. What is that?
That's why I took some.
No. Hey, Crockett, check the.
That is on 79.
What they say to you? Cut the back off. You gotta cut the back off and do what?
Hit the ground. Fresh
Oh,
tip.
boy.
Oh, boy. That boy went get them fresh tips, man. He really holding the Avalanche. Don't nobody else out one. But maybe this will inspire some people with the Avalanche. Kel? Maybe this will inspire some people with the Avalanche.
Avalanches out there on the
Why
roof.
you just order the 4 keys now? Just wait for them.
Boy, Lord have mercy. Man, get on his ass, Kel. Fuck, stop playing with that ball, man. Get on his ass, son. Tell him where his shit at.
You know where it's at, where it needs to be. Put the ball. That's what we do. For us, son. Just leave it at the front door. Y'all can have it.
No.
Yeah,
that bitch.
That been loud.
That bitch loud, son. That bitch.
Hey, that's stock motor, baby.
Y'all hear him,
like
man?
you, I don't need a cam.
Oh.
I ain't even got no exhaust.
They get on you. They get on your top, son.
I don't need no aftermarket exhaust. Yeah, no aftermarket exhaust. That's stock pipe in the factory. Stock pipe.
No. Go see.
Let my youngin' talk.
Go.
Got no muffler. What you mean I ain't got no muffler? Muffler's a police.
Oh.
You got a muffler? That ain't stock pipe then.
It's the start. It's okay.
Nah, no. He cut them off.
What size pipe you got?
He cut them off.
What size pipe you got?
It don't matter, son.
What size pop you got?
It don't matter what size pipe.
No. What is it? Oh, I know. When I first met him, he had the damn LEDs about to kill me.
There you go. See what was floating last fit to me. He can't be behind.
You was wrong with your windows down?
Oh, my back. His lights was brighter than my tent. Yes. It was just
What?
What'd he say, Kel?
Yeah, your lights is bright. Keep it a
Don't beat
bang.
me up.
Keep it a bang, Kel.
Bro.
Keep it a bang.
Don't beat me up, son.
They said that don't beat them up.
Make matters worse. He got the tips pointed to the ground, bro.
Yeah.
What's wrong with that bag up like this?
Straight
Shoot
bag.
back. You gotta point to the
Yeah,
ground.
let the motor really talk. See,
Oh, man, that's how I like him. Look at it. It's called an accident for a reason.
Oh.
I'm not gonna cap. I want to bump it up my shit so bad.
Like really, right at the bumper then.
No, like right here, like in the middle. You come out right here, 45 I'm out and 45 down. I think that would be hard.
You can't find nobody out here to do that.
You can't do that with this truck.
And I want to put some.
You try that place in
You can't do that with that truck.
Lafayette, Mr. Muffler, like right off the
I've been there
thruway.
before with Tyler, but
You probably can go there. That's what I want to do with mine, but I'm putting my mufflers back on. So I mean,
It's all love.
I'm
I
not
should give it a
fucking.
few miles without mufflers.
I'm not fucking with that clapping shit no more. But once I put that lift on,
Shit broke.
Oh no, baby.
Look, he got two exhausts.
I got him. Look, that bitch just snapped, son.
Bro, look at the weld, bro. Yeah, I would never let him touch my truck. I need to hit him right.
this shit was snap.
Yeah.
But y'all sit on the back of this, man. Stop playing with that. There you go, yeah.
Put some bubble gum and wrapping around it after you shoot it a few seconds.
Hold on, let me. Let's go.
I'm gonna run my shit straight to wood.
Oh, boy, go ahead. Go ahead, son.
Manifold.
Boy, tell me why they had a little.
I put an order in for some pies, son. I told her. I got how many I had.
You had 6, I think.
No, I had a whole 10.
No.
Yes, I did. I had 10 pies. All the 10. It was 5 potato, 5 potato, 3 apple, and 2 pecan. Man, keep bringing them pies. Bro, you know you go to the gas station, they got them little pecan pies, and that was a 10 phone. They had the for $2.
What happened, son? What happened,
I didn't
son?
know because I don't eat pecan.
That's the one she had?
Yeah.
I don't eat pecan, so I don't know. I only eat potato. Eat the half and half.
Boy!
That little teeth, what the fuck I'm gonna do with that? You eat that shit one bite.
And the part is when I went pick
I
them up.
wouldn't feed that shit to a dog.
When I went pick them up, I was like,
Dollar store weight.
That's how you coming, bro. You supposed to look out, son.
No, man.
I'm gonna take a picture and say, look out for this.
You're supposed to bring it back in the house, bro.
It's good, dude.
Supposed to bring it back in the house and look.
Looking good.
Yeah, man, y'all see it. Yeah, that bitch. Ooh.
Yeah, you see that?
That's your camera. Watch my shit.
Oh, why I just caught off?
I ain't gonna do you like that.
What a coinkadink.
See it buck you out and then you do it.
And then you see, Kel, you know.
Look here wanna be tucked tight with that girl.
I see the bumper, son. It's chrome.
What you want me to do with that, son?
It's chrome.
Where we put that at?
Where you truck? It's chrome.
Bitch, I can't even put a roll pan on my truck right. What you think? Can't even put a roll pan on my truck right. You see
Once
me?
again, you want to put a roll pan.
Get the roof racks, Ken.
Huh? Oh, okay. You got the racks on the Jeep. Son, some roof racks, bro.
It will fit, huh? Because it's a XL Jeep, huh?
Yeah, extra long.
Man, go ahead. Man, I'm not finna play with you today.
Huh?
That bitch extra, bro.
Oh, yeah. He wanted cash.
That's like saying a 7.3 can do 180. Come on, bro.
I ain't
That's the
seen
same shit.
I know it ain't.
I really.
Yeah, but them 6.0s trash, man.
They really is.
And a 4, they trash.
Man, well, how about y'all hop off for? How about that? The bitch did me tough. Alright? Man.
Well, look what you drive.
Dude, you got a whole Chevy.
Alright, I'm driving a Chevrolet, but it's a gas. I ain't arguing with nobody driving no GMC.
Man, if you don't get some... Oh.
What you saying oh for? You got that big over there. So you got on me. It's just supposed to be your legs. Exactly. We're real luxury. You ain't even, that's not real luxury. That's not leather seats. Let's go look at your ribs. Let's go look at your ribs. What about your ribs?
I got ribs.
Hey, boy, you did that bad, boy. Oh, my mom, you did that bad. You had to bring that up.
Wait. What year model it is?
06, baby. 99.
This is 2000 in better shape.
Yeah. Wow. You heard it. Well, that's a boy.
Tight, son.
Nigga, we doing dumb shit.
You on that too?
You did, yeah, you did the shit, son.
Man, go ahead.
Yeah, you did. You did the shit, cause I ain't gonna count, man. Then you got the star in that bitch. Hey, you know what'll be crazy, son? The way, if you know what'll be crazy, like if the star, like with like it will change a different color, but everything else will still stay the same color. That bit, that'll be hard, son. Man, y'all see it, man. 550 star in this thing, man. Y'all see it, bro. My dog did his own black suede with the sunroof. This mother cold. Kel, bro, you did your stuff, son. I ain't gonna count. Oh yeah, cool. I can't wait to do mine. Hit the switchbacks again?
Oh, you seen that Duramax I had posted?
Lord, have mercy.
Oh, that was fire.
Oh, you talking about how they was all on that on the grill?
That's a lot of wine. That's fire.
Yeah, I want to do this, man. But that's a lot. Yeah, that's pressure, son. That's how much power they're sucking.
Nah, it ain't that.